Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Alexa Smart Light Bulbs. 75 watt power, equivalent E26 socket, 8 watt. And then comes from Gosund. It's an upgraded LED Wi-Fi bulb system. E19. It's dimmable. It works superb with Amazon Echo, Google Home, and no hub is required. With warm white light. It's a 2-pack and it works with your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. But it's no prob because every 5 gig Wi-Fi network hub will give you a 2.4 GHz net too. No problem. You can have voice control. These smart bulbs that works with Alexa, with Google Home. Just give a simple voice command to control our light device with the smart light bulb. And it's no hub required. It only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. And you can use an app and a remote control. Make it possible to control your LED bulb by our smartphone at any time and anywhere. Enhance our home devices intelligent with these unique Wi-Fi bulbs. We can also create a group for all of our smart light bulbs at home. And of course we can control them with a single button by using the app. We can use a timer and a shuttle function. Shuttle the smart lights on or off automatically via our phone app. Set the Alexa light bulb turn on or off at a specific time. Turn all lights on at the moment you will come back at home. And turn them off when you're away from home too. The brightness level is dimmable. The Gosund bulbs has a dimmable range from 1% to 100%. We can set the brightness for different usage, such as kitchen light, reading light, living room light, or bedroom lamp. You can adjust it easily by using the smart bulbs to full brightness to wake our kids up in the morning. Or dim it for to fall asleep securely at night. And it's energy saving. With the LED technology, we will reduce the consumption by up to 80% without losing brightness or quality, while saving this our awesome money. The smart bulb's long lifespan can achieve approximately 20 hours, 20,000 hours, not only 20 hours. This will not match. 20,000 hours of lifetime. Oh, this is awesome. And it's really easy. We can light up our home. And of course, we can light up our life too. It's voice control. It's dimmable. It's energy saving. Time and schedule. It's app control possible. We can use group control. And no hub is required. Only say Alexa turn off the light by using the voice control. Then the light will go off. And Alexa tells you, okay, no prob. We can use the dimmable range from 1% to 100. That's awesome. It's a good brightness level by 50% to make a chill and relaxing afternoon. The wattage is 8 watt. The color is 2700K. This is warm white. And the size is A19. This is E26 socket. The voltage power is 120 volt. Luminous flux is 800 lumen. And the Wi-Fi network you will need is 2.4 GHz. If you do not have Wi-Fi at home, no prob. You can dock it into your socket and have fun with them without Wi-Fi. But then without the smart things. But 83% energy saving comes to us all time. And it's really easy. We have to download the Gosund app and keep our phone connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Then we have to turn on and off the bulb 3 times to switch the bulb to the easy mode recommended. And number 3 is start the app plus, and plus is add a bulb or add a device. And then we have to select the light Wi-Fi to connect. And there is a pairing mode at the upper right. The app mode is going on there. Then we have to pair the smart device, enter the Wi-Fi password, and then connect the phone to the hotspot. Smart live, la 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 la. And the smart device successfully connected to the internet. And of course to your Wi-Fi. And then, because it's connected to the internet, you can have vacation. And it's no problem if you are in Miami or if you are in Florida, no problem. If you have a connection to the internet, you can use and control your Alexa smart light bulbs easily. These are 75 watt equivalent E26 8 watt Gosund upgraded LED Wi-Fi bulbs. And they works superb with Amazon Echo, Google Home, and we will need no app. And of course, we can use them by using the app. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.